cleaning up the mess, and working on the Arvin. Morning YouTube, here with you on a Wednesday morning. I just slightly before, you can see the time up there, 11:57. That's actually fast, it's probably about 11:50. Anyway, the the bench has gotten a little messy. I don't know. You guys, what do you think? You know, I get in these projects and I do the work, but then my working space just gets smaller and smaller. I don't understand it. So, first order of business this morning is clean this mess up. So I'm going to work on that, and I'll bring you back when I have more done. Good evening, YouTube. It is a little bit after 8 o'clock in the evening on a Monday. No, Tuesday. No, Wednesday. Wednesday, yes. This was payday. I should have known that. Anyway, got on the bench here tonight, the Arvin. You guys may remember that. Some of you may. It seems like forever since I've worked on it, but you know. One of the things I want to do is put this back on and mix up some epoxy and get that back on and let that be setting up. And the other thing I want to do is replace the 2 microfarad, actually these are 2.2, but pretty close, microfarad E-caps, or E-cap I should say, and I'm going to do that. And so I'm doing something different besides the part spin and the signal tracer, and take a little time off of that. So stay with me and we'll see what we can do. See what trouble we can get into. How's that? I want to show you that standoff over there is also really loose. It's going to fall off next time I put a screw in it. I know it will. So I think I'm going to go ahead and take that off, and we'll glue both of them at the same time. And I hope that fixes the problem. Otherwise, we're going to be without any screws on top of it. So let me get back to the radio, and we'll finish recapping and do that stuff, and we'll check it out later. Alright, I am back with you on the workbench now. There's the 3.3 that I used to bridge that one right there. And I've got to get over there and try to find that cap on this side and find out where it's exactly at on top, so I can unsolder it. I've got the soldering iron heating up. That shouldn't take too long. It's been heating up for a while. So I want to get that one off and get some other, like I said, get some not heat shrink, solder wick. Couldn't think of the name of it. Anyway, got to get that out and get that ready to go and get that one off. Let's see if we can see the other one in there. Now, see, that's going to be difficult because this is here. I don't know if I can get in there to the other part of it and see it or not. I see one there. Well, yeah, I see way back in there. I don't know how well you can see that. Let me see if I can put some light on it. Yeah, behind that red wire there, I don't know how well you can see that. But that is the one I'm after. Now, that's going to have to come out. There's no doubt about it. That's going to have to slide out, I think. And I'm pretty sure it will do that. So I'll have to take the controls off the front. And let's see, there's one there, you know, 2 or 3 more that's going to have to be. There's one. And we'll have to replace all of them. So, alright, let me get that out and bring you back and show you what I got. Alright, well, I have the top half separated. I can do that repair to that for that standoff, or whatever you want to call that thing up there, and get that fixed, because that's separate. And I have this apart, and I also took this shield off the end. Anyway, like I said, I took this piece off, and there's just 2 tabs on it and fit down in there, and there's a screw that goes through here. But I can get to these E-caps here now, 1, 2, 3 there, and there's one in the middle there, a bigger one there. So like I said, I can get to all of those now. So that's probably what I'm going to do next, is get those out and put some replacements in. So that's what I'm planning to do. So let me get at it. Alright, it is 9:40 in the evening now, and these are the old ones. I got them all out. All except for the big one, the filter cap, the big filter cap. Main filter cap, whatever you want to call it. I didn't get that one out. And I don't know if I'm going to, but I'm gonna do these first and check it. So I had, this is a 200 at 10 volt, everything's 10 volt. So I replaced that with a 220. There's two 30s in there that got 33s. And there's two 2s in there that got 2.2s, so that's what we replaced them with. That's that. So I think it's time to check it out and see if it works or not. Let me get it wired up, and I had to unwire quite a bit to get it going, so let me see if I can get this wired back up, and we'll give it a little try. Stay tuned. Alright, back with you again. It is 9:50 now. Got it all hooked up via clip leads, and I think it's playing rather well.
Yeah, well, we kind of make our future selves into like a superhero. But the problem is, psychologically, is that when you think about your future self as being someone that's so vastly different from who you are right now, it puts a psychological distance. All of a sudden, that person, which is really us projected into the future, is now something that just seems so unattainable and so unreal and so abstract that we don't identify with it.
And from your research, are there certain sorts of personality types who are more likely to have an issue?
There is some research suggesting that people who are prone to negative moods, who might worry a lot or a bit anxious or fearful, they already have such a...
Alright, well that's, at least it's picking up some stuff, so.
People who chronically procrastinate, and they found two particular areas in the brain that were different.
So there you go. That's a brief look at the Arvin recapped, mostly recapped. Let me show you what has not been recapped. This little deal right here has not been replaced. I may look into that next and see how much trouble that's going to be to get off. And find out what kind of values it is. So I may go ahead and do that one too, so we'll bring you back for that. However, that is not going to be tonight. That is, like I said, it's going on 10 o'clock now, and I'm about done for the night. I went and got groceries today, and I picked them up at Walmart. So, done that, carried those in, and tomorrow I probably will go see Mom. This is Wednesday evening. I usually go on Thursday. I was talking to my sister tonight. She said it's okay to take her out, so I was thinking I may try to get her to go out and eat lunch with me or something, and try that, see what that does. So we shall see. But you guys, in the meantime, have a pleasant evening. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you.